Hi. So, we are here to discuss the trial balance. So, this is the third step in the accounting process. So, after journalizing and posting to the ledger, we will prepare a trial balance. So, here is an outline of the things we are going to learn in this discussion. First, we will learn what is a trial balance. We will also learn and follow the procedures for preparing a trial balance, and we will also learn what to do when the trial balance is not balanced. So let's start. What is a trial balance? A trial balance is a summary of open accounts. So ano ba yung open accounts? An open account is any account with a balance either in the debit side or the credit side. So pag ang isang account ay may laman, so may laman siya sa debit at credit at hindi equal, hindi dapat equal yung debit at credit. So ang tawag doon ay open account. So pag po equal ang debit at credit ng isang ledger or ng isang account, ang tawag po doon ay closed account kasi ang kanyang balance ay zero. So, bakit pine-prepare ang trial balance? A trial balance is prepared to ensure the equality of debit and credit. So, bago po tayo mag-proceed dun sa ibang steps ng accounting process, dapat i-ensure natin na equal yung debit at credit ng ating mga ni-record na transactions. So, what are the procedures in making a trial balance? First, we indicate the heading. The heading will contain the following. So, ayan, ito po yung example ng heading ng ating trial balance. The name of the business, the title of the report, the date, kung anong date natin pine-prepare, anong mga balances as of anong date, ayan, ang ilalagay natin sa trial balance, yun po ilalagay nating date at the column names. Second step, immediately below the heading, transfer the account numbers, account titles, and the last computed running balance of all open accounts. List the accounts in the following order: assets, liabilities, capital, drawing, revenues, and expenses. So, pagka po sinunod natin yung step na yan, ito po yung magiging itsura niya. So, ayan. So, nakalista po yung lahat ng accounts, yung account number, at yung account title. So, actually, ang masusunod po dyan ay yun din pong pagkakasunod-sunod sa chart of accounts. So, nakalista yung assets and then liabilities, etc. So, paano po ba natin fill upan yung trial balance? Ang ilalagay po natin lagi ay yung huling balance. Let us take for example itong cash. So yung huling balance niya dito is 857,000 debit. Kaya naman, pag nilagay natin siya sa trial balance, doon natin siya isusulat sa debit side. Ito namang accounts payable, for example, ang huling balance niya is credit na 40,000. Kaya, pag isunulat natin siya sa trial balance, doon siya isusulat sa credit side. So, ang lagi pong isusulat sa trial balance ay yung huling computed balance. So, ito po yung magiging itsura ng ating trial balance kapag kumpleto na siya. So, yan yung mga huling balances ng ating mga open accounts. At syempre, yung total niya ay dapat pareho. So, if you notice, no, yung total niya is 2,308,000. So, this ends the first part of my discussion. So, please proceed to the next section of this slide presentation. Thank you.